In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. Let's create a plane, and subdivide it 15 times by right-clicking and typing S, while in edit mode. In face selection mode, type X to only delete the faces. In edit mode, let's randomize the mesh. Please experiment with all available options. We need to use the skin modifier, but this method is going to be very slow. In edit mode, type A to select all, and Ctrl A to shrink the skin size. Please move the cursor closer to the world center to decrease the size. Or we can use the option window at the bottom after left-clicking the scene. The scale values for X, Y, and Z need to be 0.01. I have compressed the time 10 times to make it go faster here, and in real time this process took about 2 minutes. Let's go to object mode, and set up the render scene. After this, I added an empty object and placed it right in between the mesh and the camera. Let me duplicate the empty object from my practice run. Please change the camera's depth of field setting like this. I have applied an emission shader for the mesh. Then I added a background plane, and applied a black material. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. This is the render result. Let's take a look at the composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.